Today, we're diving into the sleek and stylish Delta Faucet Modern 14 Series Matte Black Shower Faucet, a tub and shower trim kit that promises to elevate your bathroom experience. This stunning matte black fixture features a single spray touch clean shower head, designed for easy maintenance with just a swipe of your finger to remove calcium and lime buildup. While the valve is sold separately, we recommend pairing it with Delta's MultiChoice Universal Shower Valve for a complete setup, ensuring a consistent shower temperature with the included monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge. This powerful shower head delivers a steady, intensely powerful full body spray, perfect for all your showering needs. Plus, with Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, you can install with confidence, knowing you're backed by a brand you can trust. Say goodbye to sudden temperature changes from toilet flushing or running appliances, and immerse yourself in a truly luxurious shower experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.